Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video I'm gonna show you how I did a simple top knot bun on myself. This is how my hair is looking at the moment. I just took out the braids. I'm gonna comb the hair to get rid of all the tangles so that we can get a perfect slick bun, and I'm using a bigger comb. As you can see guys, my hair is not longer natural. I relaxed my hair about a month ago because the natural hair was taking too much of my time. I really miss my natural hair. I can't even lie. The coils, the fullness, all that, but the stress was just too much. And before I applied the relaxer on my hair, I was really scared because relaxer destroyed my hair before. I didn't want that to happen, but I'm just happy that I still have hair on my hair to work with. The hair is still there, just that not natural anymore, and like it's more easy to work with. I mean, just look at the way I'm combing the hair without any stress. This is what I wanted. I hope that I'll be able to manage my relaxed hair without losing too much hair, because relaxer is not good. That was why I stopped my hair in the first place. But so I'm gonna keep my relaxed hair for now and try to manage it the right way without applying too much relaxer, because I know relaxer is not good for your hair. Too much of it is not good for your hair. So yeah, I'll definitely update you guys about my hair. If anything changes, I will let you guys know. Now let's move on with the hairstyle.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost.
I'm going to use my comb to pull out some hair around my edges. I'll come back and style that once I'm done with the top knot.
Can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now
I'm going to use this extension braiding hair. I'm going to attach it with my hair, make sure it's very secure. Then I'm going to pull everything up with my hair. I'm going to try to hide my hair inside the extension to pull out some extension, which I'm going to use to wrap the base of the hair. I'm just going to put that outside. Then I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping the knot. And to start wrapping the hair, make sure your hair and the extension is well wrapped together, like squeeze it very tightly, just like I'm doing. Then you're going to start wrapping the hair from the top down to the base of
thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out.
once you get to the base, you're going to take the remaining extension with the extension you left out earlier to finish the wrapping process. This is how the bun came out after wrapping it. Not perfect, but definitely okay. Now I'm going to spray my got2b hairspray to keep the hair in place and flawless. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up and share it. I would also like to know what you think about this simple hairstyle in the comment section. Thank you for your support. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.